How to use iPhone Messages stickers with iOS 17. Step 1. Open the Messages app on an iPhone running iOS 17. Step 2. Press the plus icon located to the left of the text field. Step 3. Select the option for stickers. Step 4. Click on the sticker icon, located next to the recent clock icon, then opt for the New Sticker button to create a new one, or tap the emoji or memoji icon to utilize existing stickers. Step 5. Drag a sticker into a message and release it to position it as desired. Step 6. By simply tapping a sticker from the sticker drawer, you can send it within the message, as if it were an emoji or text. Step 7. Alternatively, you can create stickers directly within the Photos app by performing a long press on a subject in an image, releasing it, and then selecting Add Sticker. Step 8. You can also stack multiple stickers in Messages.